guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I'm so freaking excited today because if you know me, you'll know how much I love trying cool, new, different, experimental things on myself. And today I'm going to be doing at home laser hair removal. That is so insane. And for that, Erica India was kind enough to send me their IPL hair removal handset. Now this IPL technology is something which personally I have seen many YouTubers abroad trying it, but this time I was way too curious and excited to try it in India this time. And the best part is that I haven't even opened it yet, so let's unbox this beauty together. The box looks premium. Ta-ta-da-da, drum rolling. 3, 2, 1. Woohoo! Alrighty. We have a guarantee card, welcome letter, and then the basic user manual. Then we have the handset. Oh my god. Loving it. The color in itself is so pretty. Pink color. This is so premium and rich, and ये बहुत ही handy है, like आराम से हाथ में आ भी गए. It's not too big and not too small. And उसके बाद we have an adapter as well. Let's just plug it in, yaar. I'm just too excited. Now how this device works is actually very interesting. Now the IPL stands for Intense Pulse Light, which uses high intensity light which targets the specific cells in hair follicles, and the light energy then converts into heat energy that shrinks the hair follicles, which ultimately leads to the reduction of hair. Also, IPL works best for all except for the darkest skin tones, and it also comes with a warranty of 12 months, which is actually pretty cool. And also, before trying this device on, you all must be wondering ki why laser hair removal, Sonia? Okay, so let me share my personal experience. So I started off with waxing बहुत time पहले, and that I also left बहुत time पहले because बहुत दर्द होता है यार, नहीं सहन किया जाता. And उसके बाद shaving came, and shaving is something जो कि मैं अभी भी थोड़े time पहले कर ही रही हूँ. But I really wanted to try my hands on this technology, and let's see actually if this can beat all the conventional methods of hair removal. Okay, so before we actually start with the laser process, we have to shave first. तो मैंने already shave कर लिया है. I can show you the before of that as well. तो अभी मुझे ऊपर से जो भी छोटा छोटा hair दिख रहा है, I'm gonna just remove that अभी in front of you guys. Also, you know how this whole process works. Let me just quickly explain it to you. Okay, so for example, any one day, for example Saturday or any weekend day works the best for me. So I have to do this process once a week for 12 weeks, which is almost equivalent to 3 months. So this is my first sitting actually with this. So abhi I'm gonna show you the whole thing, and uske baad I'm gonna take you through my 6th sitting, which is going to be the middle one, and after that the 12th and the final sitting, and तब हमें फाइनल रिजल्ट्स एक्चुअली देखने को मिलेंगे. तो अभी लेट मी जस्ट क्विकली रिमूव जो भी मुझे ऊपर से हेयर दिख रहे हैं, देन एक्चुअली विल स्टार्ट विद दैट. ऑलराइट गाइस, सो द शेविंग इज डन. लेट्स जस्ट टर्न दिस ऑन फ्रॉम हियर. Okay, I can see a green light coming from here and here. Alright, so that means it's turned on, and ये power button है, so I'm just gonna press it once. I can actually hear it, like it has started, like you will know. Okay. So यहाँ पे we have intensity levels. This comes with total of 5 intensity levels. तो अभी हम इसे 1 पे ही रखेंगे. देखा मैं ऑलरेडी कितनी नर्वस हूँ, वो आज नहीं निकल पा रहे हैं. तो अगर intensity levels बढ़ाने हैं तो you just have to keep pressing this and it will go up like so. Like अभी it's at 1, so 2, 3, 4 and 5, but अभी हम 1 पे रखेंगे, so that's that. And also once you will bring this closer to your skin, this red light will start popping, so that's how you'll know that it's working. Okay, so should I just start doing it? Let's just do it, देखते हैं. Okay, so once I bring this closer to my skin, I have to press this button. Okay, मैं इधर देख लेती हूँ because I don't know क्या होगा. It's working. It does not hurt at all. मुझे लगा कि शायद पेन ना हो, थोड़ा सा वार्म फील हो रहा है. Other than that, it's nothing. Like no pain whatsoever. हल्का सा little bit warm feeling. That's it. Is that it? Do I just have to keep doing it? ये तो मैं बहुत आराम से भी कर सकती हूँ, लेट के भी. तुम मुझे सीरियसली नहीं लेते यार. करके दिखाना पड़ता है तुम्हें. ये देखो. See? सोनिया का भी मजाक नहीं करती. This is so much fun. Okay, not gonna lie, I'm enjoying it now. Okay, so now I'm not feeling anything. So इसकी intensity level एक और level बढ़ा के देखते हैं. Here we go. Okay, again, it's not hurting. हल्का सा burning sensation हुआ है because intensity level बढ़ा है तो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा warm लग रहा है. But other than that, it's okay. Alrighty, we're going with the flow. Going nicely. I guess this is done. Let's turn this off. So I just have to keep pressing it for like 2-3 seconds and it will just go off. Like so. इसे बहुत ही प्यार से साइड में रख देते हैं because it's so pretty. Okay, so my full arms and legs are done. It hardly took me 20 minutes, man. And to be very honestly speaking, अभी ना मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है, कुछ पता नहीं चल रहा है कि क्या डिफरेंस हुआ है. So I guess मुझे इसके साथ अभी और सिटिंग्स लेनी पड़ेंगी. And let's see what's gonna happen in 6th sitting. तब मिलते हैं. Welcome to the 6th sitting, you guys. This is the middle one and not gonna lie, बहुत ही drastic change तो नहीं, but hair growth बहुत ही कम हुई है, बहुत ही reduce हुई है. So that's the positive sign right over there. तो I just got done with shaving. बट अभी जो मुझे ऊपर से हेयर्स दिख रहे हैं ना, आई एम जस्ट गोना क्विकली रिमूव देम. एंड ऑल्सो ड्यूरिंग द होल ट्रीटमेंट यू कैन गो फॉर शेविंग बट अवॉइड वैक्सिंग और ट्वीजिंग बिकॉज द होल आइडिया इज टू नॉट रिमूव हेयर फ्रॉम योर रूट बिकॉज IPL लाइट हैज़ टू टारगेट द हेयर रूट. To be honest, I had no idea कि hair removal process could be so much easier. Like घर पे मैं कभी भी कर सकती हूँ and considering I have like full time busy schedule तो तब भी मेरे लिए इतना ज़्यादा convenient है. So that's really handy. I guess that is it. थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे भी. Guys, I'm a pro now. This device does not scare me anymore. So let's just quickly turn this on using this button right over here. It has started. Literally, you can hear it. Let's set the intensity a little bit higher because, as I said, we're pro now. And let's do it. So easy. So easy. Again, no hurting whatsoever. बहुत ही chill and easy. हल्का सा बस गरम लगता है. That's it. उसके अलावा इट्स नॉट स्कैरी एट ऑल. फर्स्ट सिटिंग में मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा डर लग रहा था, सबने मेरी शक्ल देखी थी. बट अभी तो ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा ईजी है. इट्स फन एक्चुअली. इट्स लाइक किड्स प्ले. लेट्स डू आर्म्स. So guys, we are done with our 6th sitting. It was so much fun doing it with you guys because अभी जो बीच वाली सिटिंग थी ना, मैं ऐसे अकेले कर रही थी कोने पे बैठ के. But this was actually fun doing it with you guys. And this is how my hands and legs look like right now. वैसे थोड़े स्मूथ तो लग रहे हैं फर्स्ट सिटिंग के बाद से, जो हमारा फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस था. And I can't wait फाइनल सिटिंग करने के लिए because that's like the end thing, like the final result. That's going to be insane. तब मिलते हैं. Welcome to the final sitting. Oh my god, I am obsessed. Like before even doing the final sitting, I'm telling you the results are awesome. And मुझे पता है कि final sitting के बाद I'm going to be on cloud 9. This is so amazing. And again, so easy to use. And मैं अपनी convenience के हिसाब से कभी भी कहीं पे भी use कर सकती हूँ यार घर पे. Okay, so as you can see, I'm all dressed up because अभी थोड़ी देर में मेरा shoot है. तो मैंने सोचा कि उससे पहले मैं अपनी final sitting कर ही लेती हूँ because that will show good results in the videos and photos as well. So why not? Again, we have to shave. It's like almost negligible hair growth हुई है मुझे. बिल्कुल भी जैसे पहले 6th सिटिंग में मैंने दिखाया था कि थोड़ी सी स्लाइट हेयर ग्रोथ थी, उससे भी कम हो गई है, विच इज़ लाइक सच अ पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट. आई एम टेलिंग यू. अगेन मुझे वैसे ज़्यादा कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है बट थोड़ा सा मैं ऊपर ऊपर से ऐसे शेव कर लेती हूँ बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट द बेस्ट आउट ऑफ इट. सो लेट्स जस्ट टर्न दिस ऑन. Yes, I can hear you. Yes, I'm gonna miss you too. Okay, this is fine. And let's set the intensity level to 3. That's fine. And let's do it. Yep. Wow. I'm so excited to be seeing the final result by my own eyes as well. It's like I spent so much time with this and finally मुझे result मिलने वाला है. Like the end result, the final review. हल्का सा गरम लग रहा है एंड इसके ना ज़्यादा साइड इफेक्ट्स भी नहीं होते हैं. कभी कभी हल्की सी रेडनेस या स्वेलिंग हो जाती है बट दैट वो बहुत ही कॉमन साइड इफेक्ट्स होते हैं एंड वो बहुत जल्दी चला भी जाता है. I always love this flashlight. It makes me feel like I'm always shooting. I'm in middle of shoot all the time. Guys, I'm done with my final sitting. It feels heaven. It was again so easy and so quick. I mean, मेरा just अभी shoot है 10 minutes में. उससे पहले I'm doing it. It's so hassle free and कोई mess भी नहीं create होता है यार. कहीं पे भी कैसे भी बैठ के कर लो, chill होके, कोई दिक्कत वाली बात नहीं है. And I'm gonna quickly show you the difference, like before first sitting and this is my after 12th sitting. Insane difference and I'm living for it. And you know what? इसका best part ये है कि both men and women can use it. I mean, I'm definitely gonna use it with Yash. अभी उसने ट्राई नहीं किया है, मुझे पक्का उसे ट्राई करवाना है. बट कंसिडरिंग जो मुझे रिजल्ट आए हैं ना, he'll be okay with that. He'll be like कि हाँ कर ही लेते हैं. And also if you're 16 or older, you can definitely use this out, no problem in that. And it's very convenient and easy to use at home also यार. मतलब बस कहीं पे भी बैठ के just have to plug it in and start using it after shaving. This is so amazing and so easy to do. And one more thing which I absolutely love about this product is it can last up to 10 years until you use 5 lakh flashes. It's just insane. And I just loved recording the whole process for you guys. I genuinely hope that it helped you in some way and also answered few of your questions here and there. And अगर और कोई भी questions है laser hair removal से related, feel free to ask me in the comments down below and I'll answer them to my best capacity. And also I'm like highly recommending this product from Erica to you guys, and all the links are in the description box down below, so do check that out. And yeah, with this, that's the end of it. Let me know how was the video and if you want to see more of these kind of product reviews videos, because मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा suggestions आ रही थी. So this is it. Until then, like and subscribe and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.